Morning, family. Ham's Loft. It's about 9:30. I'm releasing at the Tennessee Titans Stadium. It's also my alma mater stadium, my alumni stadium too, Tennessee State University, and also home of the Music Bowl and the Country Music Awards. But they're having some kind of big event here. It's about 20 miles from my house, right around 20 miles from my house, and I'm going to release in the side parking lot. So let's see what we can do. All right, all right, fam. Good morning, assalamu alaikum. I'm at the 20-mile marker from my house. That's the Titans Stadium right there. See downtown Nashville skyscraper. They putting all the barricades and the walls up for the, I think it's some kind of Grand Prix with the I think Formula One cars, but I know they ain't the NASCARs. I think they're the Formula One cars. But got the birds down. We're gonna put them out. All right, they've been down for a couple of minutes. Let's get them ready to go. I'll give them a couple more minutes, and then I'll take a picture of the mileage on the car. It's over 20 miles, but I had to take the interstate here instead of taking the streetway. That's the way I normally train, is the streetway. But at this point, I'm gonna be doing the interstate, because at this point I can't go the streetway. It takes too long. So let's hold off. I got 58 birds. It took me so long. It's because I had to write down all the band numbers and everything by myself. So we get ready to let them go. Give them another couple of minutes. There's a lot going on out here. I think home is behind me or somewhere like that. So we're gonna see what the birds say. You know, they make their own rules. All right, we're gonna get them out there. Time to go. Go there. Huh?
Is that for a funeral?
Nah, just my personal birds. Racing pigeons.
Pigeons.
Yeah.
I thought it was doves.
But hey, they in the dove family.
Yeah, I was in West Virginia 3 years ago and at a funeral, and they done the same thing.
Yeah, some people do it. I don't do it like that because mine's is strictly for racing.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen them let go. I said, oh my gosh, mine's in West Virginia.
All right, man. You have a good day.
You too.
I'm backing up here. Here we go. I hope I can see them. Can't see nothing.
Right there.
No, I mean, I can see them, but I don't know if the phone can pick them up, because you see, you can't see. When you look through the phone, you can't really see.
I can't see.
I can't either. So I just try to aim it. I try to aim it in the right direction.
Weldon burnt my eyes.
Oh, I heard that. All right, man.
Weldon burnt my eyes. That's why I gotta wear these fucking glasses.
All right.
There's that weird damn music.
Okay, it says 21.6 miles, which I went on the interstate, so it's definitely shorter than that. It's 9:49, 75 degrees. The bird's been gone for about a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes. I had the homeless guy talking to me. I had my mask on, but you know, you probably hear him on the video talking. But let's head home and see if we can beat the birds home. This is one of the test zones for them, because at this point, oh wow, they got a stadium for when the race cars come through. All right, but This is a serious test because of it's not just a straight shot. Somewhere along the line, they got to brake and turn their own direction, so they'll figure it out, because I damn sure don't know. All right, I'll put you on pause. Let's go home, see if they get there. Okay, family, it's 10:16. Still, well, temperature went up a little bit, 76 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead, and I didn't see no birds sitting on the roof, so I didn't cut the thing on. And I took the interstate back home, so it says 42.8. So roughly, I think it's no more than 20 miles, maybe at the most 21. All right, let's go find where they at. Well, you can see it's nobody in the backyard, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the crates in the shed. Okay, I think it's about 6. Yeah, I think it's about 10:20, somewhere around there. Just, as pigeon flyers, we always sometimes question ourselves about, should I have took them 15 miles instead of 20 miles? I jumped them from 10 miles to 20 miles. Of course, I'm at that point, raising the pigeons and flying the pigeons, there's no regrets. When you stick them out there, you stick them out there to race and win. But my birds not home yet, so I just let you know, of course, when they get back home. And tomorrow, they begin tossed. Well, not the exact same spot since it's too crowded over there, but they get tossed from at least around 20-mile mark. I won't go backwards. I'll just keep going out, but I'll make sure they're comfortable with getting home from 20 miles, and then we'll jump them a little bit further. But all right, we're gonna put you on pause. Oh, I just seen something come over the roof. I don't know what it was. Let's see if it's a bird or two. Nope. Oh well, let's hit you on pause. Had a black one come in first, and look at them. Nobody's panting. Let me go and give them some food. I forgot all about it. All right, I'm gonna go and give them a little bit of food. Then I'm gonna run and see what time it is. The little black one on the end, it came from the other pen, but that one is mine. Oh, got his foot caught. Oh, he got on loose. Oh, just had another one come by. Yeah, you see him got his foot up in the air? He just had it caught. Just got it caught on something. I'm gonna have to check him out later. Yeah, give him another one. I get a count a little bit later. But oh, here come another one. I think I should get about maybe about 30 in. 30 out of 58. We'll see what the count is. All right, we're gonna cut this video. Comment, subscribe, do what you do. Okay, the time is 11:02. So I think I released them at 10. No, it might be 9 something. I'll look at the video and make sure. All right, but I'll put the times up and see what happens. See how long it took for the majority of them to get back. All right, comment, subscribe, what you think. Peace.